Now everything is fine, friends.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, fine.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So now let's design one example now. Okay, so just simple regular example I'm doing, guys. Okay, don't bother about that. Still, I'm not designing any project, guys. Okay, I'm not designing any project. After ending that concept, all concept, what is that? We will design one. What is that? A small mini project. In that we will use each and everything, right? How we can, but just simply we will understand this concept, right? How we are implementing in the programming, right? How we are implementing in the programming now. So now fine, guys. So just what is that? Let's understand these things now. So just assume that I'm taking one example. I'm taking one example, guys. Okay, so our example is what is that? One string data is there, right? So I'm taking what is that? Let msg, that is a string, right? That is the string. Now in this string, what is that I'm taking? What is that? Welcome to TypeScript. TypeScript. Welcome to TypeScript, right? Welcome to TypeScript. This is the string of data. Our string of data is there. Means inside the in this one, right? What is that? Whenever we will use index number, right? Index of, then what will happen now? If we want to search particular indexes, if we want to search any particular particular character from in this string, right? Which one will be the first occurrence index element will be there? That element, it will be the find. Which function now? Index of function, right? Index of function. Just what is that? Let's take console.log. I'm taking what is that? Console.log. Now inside that, what is that? MSG. I'm taking what is that? Index of, right? I'm taking what is that? Index of. Now okay, so in this index of, I want to search e-letter, right? E-letter. Then what is that? What we will get it now, guys? So first index number we will get. What is that? See, a is one place, two place, three places are there, right? Come on, please respond it.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Yeah. So
Yes, Ravi.
but the thing is, what is that? This index of function is what is that? Returning, searching first index of what is the first occurrence of that element. What is that? We are searching the e, right? From the total string, right? We are searching what is that? E. So it will go and it will find the first index. What is that? First occurrence index number, right? Now, and it will give the response to us, right? Here what we will get it now? So first index is 0 1, right? So here we will get what? Here we will get what is that? One result.
One.
Here, yeah, here we will get what is that? One result. Now okay, now let's run it. Compile first. TSC string type dot ts. It is compiled successfully, right? It is compiled what? Success.
Yes.
Now let's take node string type dot gs. Now what is that? What is the result we are getting now, guys? What is the result we are getting? One or not? Come on. So just assume that we are searching any letter. A is not there. Let's search the A letter, right? Let's search the A letter. Now in this time, what is that? If we search A, right? Because in total string A is not there, then what we will get it now? What we will get it now?
-1.
-1, right? We will get what? -1 now. Okay. Now, okay, what we need to do, because I will present, I need to share this example to you now. So now let's take E, right? E. Okay, this is the one. And now let's compile it. TSC. Now node. What we are getting now? First character is there in this string. So that is the reason we are getting first occurrence index number. First occurrence index number, right? 1. But what is that? A isn't there. A isn't there in no total string, right? Total string. So that is the reason what we are getting now, friends.
-1.
What we are getting now?
-1.
-1, right?
-1.
-1. Okay. Now, same like what is that? Same like what is that? What we done? Last index, guys. Okay, last index, right? So if we want, what is that? Last index, right? Last index occurrences, right? Last index occurrences. Just assume that now, what is the use of last index occurrences now? See, this is presenting what is that? Initial index occurrences character, right? Means what is that? Index number. But I want what is that? Last occurrence uh, index number, right? Index number. Then how we can present it? For that we will take, what is that? We will take last index of, I want what is that? Last index of what is that? E character, right? E character. So then what is that? Now what is that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we will get it now, guys? 6 we will get, right? Come on. People are getting my point, what I'm explaining?
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So now fine, guys. So now let's run it. Let's run it now. We are 14.
From first to last, right? It will take.
Sorry.
From first, welcome to TypeScript. So 0, 1.
Yes. W started.
Yeah.
Space is also taken counted.
Oh, sorry, it was
Okay.
my mistake. It was my mistake. Yeah, it will give, what is that? It will give the result. What I'm see. It's a confusion now, guys. Actually, that slice function is there. Na? I was taking out. Yeah, it will count from, what is that? It will count from that, and whatever last index. See, if I'm taking, what is that? Here again, then what is that? This index number we will get. We will not get this index number, right? We will get correct, right? So last occurrences index number we will get, right? Last occurrences means what is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 0,
No, missing
0, 0,
From 0.
1, 0,
Zero.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 13, 14. 14 we are getting, right? 14 we are getting. Yeah, and that is the different function things I explained you guys. Okay, it will not from the last to it will not search. Means last index occurrences it will find from the string now, and it will give the that index number, right? Now let's design based on this one only, guys. Okay, let's design it. Okay, let's design one email validation, right? We will take, what is that? One email validation about this one only, right? Now copy this one, come here, let's paste it. Let's paste it. Now our requirement is, what is that? We will check, what is that? Let's take Ravi. We will not put Gmail, right? We will not .com. First we will check it. What is that? What I'm doing now? I'm removing now. Based on that, what we will do it now? We will validate our email ID, right? We will validate our email ID, and we will check the index number. We will check the index of, right? Based on that, we will validate this one. Based on this one, what we will do it now, guys? We will validate it. Now what I'm doing now, let's take it. So just assume that we have what? One string. We have, what is that? One string. Inside that, what I'm doing now, let's take Ravi @gmail.com, right? This is the email ID. We have what? This is email ID now. So I want, what is that? I want we will validate based on that. It should be the @. If not there, then what is that? Our email ID is not accepting our application, right? So like that thought will be there. Okay, so how we can design it now? So we will check the if condition. We will check the if condition, and what we will do it now? Let's take message dot index, right? Index of, right? We will take what is that? Index of now. Okay, so in the index of, what we will check it now, guys? We will check that it should be what? @. Otherwise, what is that? We will not accept. Equal to minus means if @ is not there, then what? This method will return, sorry, this condition will return what? It will return the invalid what? Email ID, right? Come on, means what is that? If not available in this string, what is that? @ is not available, right? Then what is that? -1 we are getting that. No, come on, we will get what is that?
Yes.
Index of is returning what? -1. Come on, friends.
Yes. If not
Now
there, -1 will be.
console dot log. Now console dot log. Inside that, what is that? Invalid, what is that? Email. We will take what is that? Invalid email. Please, what is that? Include. Please include what is that? @. Please include what? @, right? Else we will throw the or else we will give what is that? Message console dot log valid email, right? Now let's compile it and let's run it. Okay, so in this time we will get what is that? Valid mail. We are getting the valid mail, but what we are doing now? Let's remove it. Let's remove @. Now let's compile it and run it. We are getting what? Invalid email. Please include @ or not, guys? We are getting, right? Come on. So this is the use of what? Index of. Don't worry. Still more explanation will come. Still, what is that? More explanation is come. So one more question based on that. What is that? If you are the fresher, if you are the experienced, if you are the experienced, right? Definitely, if you are attending the interview, guys, if you are attending the interview, definitely interviewer having the knowledge. If that interviewer really little bit good in the UI, then definitely that interviewer will ask one question, right? What is that? Based on that function only, we will see that. Okay, so now yeah, copy this example and paste here now. Right, so now interviewer will ask what is that? We will learn this functions, guys. Okay, we will learn this function. Our interviewer will ask what is that? What is the difference between slice? What is the difference between slice, sub str, seventh, let's take which one? Substring, right? Substring. By looking like the name is what? By looking like the name is same, so people is thinking about that. Substring, right? By the working functionality, no, guys. So by if you work also, the working functionality also looking like same only, but the major difference is there. Big differences is there in these functions, guys. Okay, anyone knows that? What is the differences are there? Slice is substring and substring, right? Now substring and substr. Any differences is there? Anyone knows that? No worries, guys. I'm here. I'll explain it. Okay. Now let's see that what is the returning and what is the use of these things, right? What is the use of these things now? Okay. So what I'm doing now, so I'm taking, let's take it, it use, what is that? It use start and end index. Please see that index, right? Index to extract 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 the character, extract the characters and what is that? In index number, in index number must be greater than, must be greater than start index, right? Start index. Now we will see these things, guys. Okay, we will see these things as a, let's see this, let's see that what is that, how we can do now. Let's, what is that? Slice is there, or okay, first let's see these things as a example now, guys. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so first, what is that? I will make you confused, right? I will make you in this one confused, then I'll tell. Okay, so just let's take what is that? I'm taking same only, welcome to TypeScript. Welcome to TypeScript, right? So now what I'm doing now, let's remove and let's take console.log. I'm taking what? Console.log, and here what we are doing now, msg dot, let's take slice, right? I'm taking slice. Inside the slice I want, what is that? Let's give the 6, right? Let's give the 6, right? 6. Now I'm running this one. Now I'm running this one again. Now let's run our application. Yeah, it is compiled now. Let's run it. What we are getting now, guys, E and a 2 TypeScript, right? Means what is that? This is the later, means what? From here to we are getting all result or not, guys? Come on. All string data we are getting or not? Come on, please respond it.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so 6 is there now. Let's make this one as a 7, right? 7, including the spaces also, right? Now let's take node again. Let's compile TSC. Now compile it. What we are getting now? Before that space is there, guys. Okay, see this. Before that, what? Space also there. Means it's including the space, and after then, after 7th index means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? 7th, it's giving what is that? All characters, right? All characters of a string as a result, right? No one is.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now what I'm doing now, copy this one and paste it. Copy this one and paste it. Now here let's make this one as a, what? Let's make this one as a substring.
Substring.
Yeah, substring, right? I'm taking what is that? Substring. And what we are doing now, let's again compile and run it. Hey, you will tell what is that? Hey Ravi, again we are getting the same. What is the difference? What is the difference between both, right? What is the difference between both? Now let's take another one also. Console.log. Okay, now again let's take msg dot. In this time, what is that? Let's take substr. It's showing deprecated. No, okay. Yeah, it is deprecated now. In the newer TypeScript, it's deprecated. Okay, but no worries, we will use it, right? I'm taking the 7. I'm taking the 7 just because I don't know it's deprecated now in the newer version. Why? But in the previous version it's working. Now, okay, now let's compile it. Let's compile it. TSC. Now see, there is no difference between the result. Are there any differences there, guys? No, na?
No
No, Ravi.
difference.
No, right? But the very big differences is there, guys. Okay, the interviewer is asking if you are the fresher, if you are the UI developer or a little bit experienced person, definitely interviewer will ask. Interviewer will ask what is the difference between slice, substring and sub-str, right? Now I'll explain it, guys. Okay, I'll explain it. What is the main difference between these three functions now? Okay, so just what is that we understood means what slice is, what it use start in the index, right? Start in the index to extract the character, and in the characters, and in the index number must be the greater than start index, right? Start index. Now let's understand these things with the example now, guys. Okay, let's understand these things with the example. First I'm writing what is the syntax. Now what is the syntax will be there now, guys. What is the syntax now? Okay, so now another things also. Okay, another things also, you will see that difference now. What I'm doing now, I'm taking 12, right? After comma I'm taking 12. Right now, after comma, again I'm taking what is that 12, right? After comma, again I'm taking here also 12. Let's take 12. Now I'm compiling this one. I'm compiling again. I'm compiling this application now. Yeah. Any differences you are seeing? Hmm? Any differences, guys? In the result? Don't worry. Don't worry. If you are seeing any difference,
Ravi.
just yes or no, give the response. Okay. What is the main
Yes, sir.
differences
Yes, sir.
are there? I'll explain it. Don't worry about that. Now, okay. So what I'm doing now? Now let's first understand only substring, right? The slice only. Let's understand only slice first, right? So what is that? Its syntax is what? Now how we are writing now? Slice. Okay, I'm taking what is that? 7, right? 7. Let's take 7 and 12. 7 and 12 means what is that? It's representing it. It will return the data, right? Between what is that? Between data. It will return what is that? Between data. What is that? Slice is returning from the 7 to 12. What is that? 7 to 12. Now come here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Now it will return the data. This is from here 7, right? Now 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? It's returning what? It's returning what is the data now? 1 minute. Yeah. Including the spaces. Before that space also there, guys. Okay. Now just check it. Now between the data, right? 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 7th index will be included, right? So means what is that? 1 space and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is coming from where? T. Come on. Including T. Okay, no issue. If you want, you can increase it. Okay, let's take 14. 14, right? 14. If we include the 14, let's take 13 only. 12 we taken a 13. Means now we will get what is that? Till ty from here to here. This result we will get. Or you want 1 minute. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? After 10, okay, let's take here from the 10. From the 10 to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Type only, right? 14. Let's take here 15. Let's take here 15. Right? Now compile it. What we are getting now, guys? We are getting type or not? Come on. Means what is that? It's returning what? Between whatever criteria, means starting index to ending index, right? Whatever between the character is there, those character we are getting. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so
Yes, Ravi.
now slice is returning what is that? Between data. Between data with what is that? Start index to what? Start index to what is that? What is that? Index number, right? But the number must be greater than. If we are taking that, if we are taking what? Just assume that we are going to take what? Like this. If you are planning to think about that like this, right? So means what? Means if we means what? Means what is that? 0. Greater than should not be. If you are taking, then we will get nothing. Nothing we will get. Nothing we will get. Now what I'm doing now, 10th now, let's make this one as a 0. Means what is that? Our index should not be greater than start index, guys. Okay, start index now. So now let's compile it. Node, right? See, we are getting anything? Nothing we are getting now. Come on. We are getting or no?
Yes, Ravi.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing.
So it means what is
Nothing.
that?
Ravi,
So-
if we give this command to both
So-
the slice between 7 to 7.
Invalid, right? Invalid. 7 to 7 means what is that? 7 to 7 if you give, see this, if you are giving, let's take 10 to 10. 10 to 10, you are giving what is that? You are trying to give the 10 to 10. Now again you are not getting anything. Again
We
you-
give another one 9 like that because at the 10th index we are having space.
That one he's removing.
In the string, right? In the 10th index we are having space. Now that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, 10th, between 10th, right?
Space only there. In string space is the 10th index.
String itself is having space. Give any other index like
Okay.
9.
Like give as 11, Ravi.
Okay, let's give 14. That is fine.
Yes.
14 to 14. Nothing we are getting. Nothing we are getting. Same index, how it will return. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Now next one. Okay. Now next, what is that? If you are previously what we are giving, now if you give what? If you give means what is that? If you are giving same index also, let's write this one also. Paste it. If you are giving 7 to 7, 7 to 7, this one also invalid. This one also invalid. Now, if you are giving what? If you are giving 7 to only 7, okay, means 7. If you are giving what is that? Single start index means what? It will start from the 7th index, right? And all later it will present, right? All character will present, right? All character will present. Let's take it what? Let's take 7. Let's take 7 now. Okay, now let's compile it. Now, to TypeScript we are getting, right? If we are not giving the any in the index, then what is the? It's starting from the seventh index, and it's presenting all character from the 7 index onward, right? Clear, friends? Hmm?
Yes, Ravi. And Ravi,
Yes.
one more thing. If you are putting a greater number first and a smaller number in second option, then it's invalid, right?
Just what I explained in this one. First number is greater, and another
Yes.
zero is a smaller number only, no?
Yes, Ravi. Yes, got it.
And in that, what I explained it now, just see this. It is used start index to extract the character, and in index to a number must be greater than start index.
Yes,
Hmm?
got it.
Clear?
Yeah, Ravi.
Right. Now fine. Now, if we are giving the slice, means what is 7? Means what is that? 7 means what? It will be the. It should not be the. Only it should be the right direction, guys. Okay, it will not come. What is that? Bi-directional. This is the wrong number, right? Ending number should not be the greater than start number, right? Start number. So that is what not. If we do that, then we will not get the result. It will be the not correct way, guys. Okay, correct way. Now let's understand another one is. You will get the clear conclusion about that. Clear conclusion about it now, guys. Okay. Now let's understand what is that substring. Let's understand what substring now. Substring. So it is also what is that? It's a syntax, right? Let's understand syntax. Syntax, right? Syntax. Let's understand it's a syntax. Syntax, right? So it's a syntax also sub str, right? Sub str. It's also taking as a what is that? Start index, and what is that? And how many characters we want. How many characters we want, right? So this is the syntax. Then what is that? How it's working and how it's returning. Now it's any question?
Sub spelling sons is here written sub.
Okay. Sub, right? Substring. Now it reads, right? It reads specific or specified number of characters from what is that? Given index, right? Given index now, guys. So now, okay, fine. Now, so it will be the, just read it what I wrote. It reads a specified number of character from given index. And what is that? What is doing now? It's a start in the index, right? Start in index to extract the characters. Now we will see these things. Now let's do the clarity about more about the substring now, guys. More clarity about substring. Now just assume that if we are taking sub str, we are taking what? Sub str. Now inside that I'm taking, let's take index number 7, and I'm taking what is that? 4. So means what is that? This one is not a index number. This one is a not index number. This is the, it will present the character, guys. Okay, this sub str will present the character. If any blank, sorry, spaces is there, that one will remove, that one will not include, right? Now means what is that? It will present what is that? 4 characters. 4 characters from 7 from the 7th, right? From the 7th. Now let's see that. Let's see these things as a practically now. Yeah, now let's see that. Now just assume that this is our string, right? This is our string now. Now let's take sub str. Let's take sub str. I want to start from what? 7. I want to start from the 7th. Let's take 4. Means what is that? What is that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? From the 7, from here onward, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. This character we will get it. Now let's compile it. Let's run it. 2. Yeah, sorry, it's a taking mod. It's a taking spaces also, right? 2 means this is the before that space is there. After that spaces are there. From the 7th, right? From the 7th, it's presenting what is that? All 4 characters, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 means the 7th space is including, and what is that? From the 7th, 4 character means what is that? 1 space, 2, 0, and after then 1 space is there. That is spaces. That is space it's including, right? That is space in including. If a string inside that string, if spaces is there, that is also treating as a character only, right? Come on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
So 4,
Yes, Ravi.
4. Okay, let's make this one as a 7, right? 7, 8,
11.
10. 10,
11 to 4.
yeah, let's make 11. Right, let's make, means what is that? We will get from the 11 to 4 character, right? Now let's compile it. That one will be the more clear picture will be there. Yeah, from the 11 to 4 character is type. Come on, if you increase this one, 5 means what is that? After type s also we will get. If you after s, after type, what is that? S also we will get. We are getting the expected result or not, guys? Come on. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So same like what? Same like if you are taking, same like what is that? If you are taking, what is that? Nothing. After then you are taking nothing. Then means what? From the 11th character onward, all character it will give as a result. All character it will give as a result. Now let's see that. Now compile it. Type. We are not saved. Oh, we are
Not
not.
save.
Now compile and run it. We are getting or not? Come on, after 11, right? All strings we are getting, right? All strings
Yes.
we are getting. If you are giving greater than, it's also not accepting. If you are giving the 0, then this one also will not. We will not get any result.